Good morning. Let's learn themes from the chapter Quest for a Theory of Health. The first theme that you have here is endurance. Now, endurance is a very important quality that one should imbibe in life so as to face any hardships. When it comes to Stephen Hawking, we know that in spite of the physical challenges, he was able to overcome all this with his sheer will. Stephen Hawking achieved a meritorious life despite of his physical challenges due to his enormous strength to overcome life's challenge. So, just because he had that enormous strength to overcome life challenges, we can say clearly that he had an element of endurance. Second, self-reliance. Stephen Hawking was never ready to give up or quit his life for the severe challenges he faced in life. Rather, he thought he should rely on himself, improving his awareness, knowledge, and skills. Stephen understood that his life is in no way going to be easy, but how he would make that journey interesting. It is all possible by improving his awareness, knowledge, skills, and that improvement is all done with a curious mind. Next, it is optimism. Stephen Hawking faced constant difficulties in terms of physical illness, yet he remained consistent and positive in his life journey to achieve success. So it is optimistic nature of a person that makes him lead a meaningful life. So it is very important that a person should be really positive. So even though Stephen Hawking faced a lot of challenges, it was his optimism or positivity that has helped him to achieve success. So it is his optimism that has helped him surprisingly to remain consistent and positive in life journey so as to achieve success. Next, witty. We all know that Stephen Hawking was an extraordinarily brilliant, eccentric, witty person. Now, what makes him witty? He is able to invent humorous remarks. So that is something that we rarely find in people. So there is an instance in the chapter when he addresses a group of people in the interview panel. There, he convinced the panel by telling them that he really wants to join Cambridge. In the exam, in the written exam, he has only secured a borderline between the first and the second. He got only second position. He was not able to reach that first. So in order to reach the first, he should perform extremely good. And he did well in the interview. And he was able to come up with flying colors. How? By convincing Hannah. And eventually he was able to fly. First, he was higher education. So there you find again, he was able to tackle the situation with his witticism. Togetherness. Now, it is a feeling of togetherness that make things go, right? So, if only you have this feeling of togetherness in life, that your life also keeps you. Luckily, Stephen Hawking had good friends and he had got support from both family and a very good circle of friends and family who constantly supported him to achieve success. Next, inquisitiveness. In his quest for knowledge, to find answer to his doubts, landed him as a greatest success. So it was his curious nature or his inquisitiveness that has helped him success in the field of physics. He became a physicist because of his curiosity. In his search for knowledge and to find answer to the doubts that he had in his mind, made him great physicist, rather the greatest physicist of all time. coming to the conclusion of the chapter gives a glimpse into Stephen Hawking and his daring journey from childhood to adulthood. In a stormy sea of life, he gained success with sheer hard work, passion, inquisitiveness, togetherness, and teamwork. He realizes the value of education at a tender age and uses it as a means to find answer to some of the questions in the field of physics. Thus, he gives the world a new foundation on quantum physics. So this chapter gives an idea into Stephen Hawking and his daring journey from childhood to adulthood. And his life was not an easy one. It's not an easy cake. It was full of challenges. That is why it is said, in a stormy sea of life, he gained success with sheer heart, passion, inquisitiveness, curiosity, togetherness, and teamwork. He realizes the value of education at a very young age. Because at a young age, he understood that it is the education that is going to bring him success. And he realizes the value of education at a tender age and uses it as a means to find answers to some of the questions in the field of physics, and thus gives the world a new foundation on quantum physics. So, why he became successful? It's all because of hard work, focus, determination, passion, inquisitiveness, and his attitude, not ready to give up. And most importantly, he valued education, which acted in fact as a means to lead a successful life as a physicist. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching it. And if you really like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.